Hey everyone, this is Sime, your crypto CPA from the Lone Star State here at Akif CPA and also at our sister company, Chainblock Financial. In today's segment, I'm going to go quickly. Why? Because we have a tax deadline that's coming up on this upcoming Monday. It's going to be the LLCs and partnerships that are due in October 15th. All the 1040s are due. And if you are a member of the Pulse Chain community, if you're trading, whether you're using the Pulse Chain bridge, you're using the PulseX, or you've been sacrificing, you're a validator of any type, what you need to understand is there is not a single crypto software out there that's going to do all your taxes for you. Whether you're using Coinpanda, whether you're using Koinly, whether you're using crypto tax calculator, all these tools, basically you're going to need to cut and paste. You're going to need to manually parse transactions. Why? Because there's not a one-click fix-all tool out there that can do Pulse Chain taxes. Pulse Chain is so unique. It's a layer one blockchain. It is it's a sub ecosystem of the Ethereum chain, and because of its low fees and people that were involved in it in the initial, they're getting all kinds of rewards. They're just earning rewards and they're actually having an amazing time. But when it comes to taxes, everyone's failing. Why? Because what they're doing is they're plugging in their portfolios and these third-party crypto softwares, but they're not looking and seeing where they need to adjust, where they need to make the amendments, where they need to make sure. I'll give you an example. Whenever you use a bridge, you'll notice that you're gonna have a token that's going out, and then you're not gonna have a subsequent token in another blockchain that's gonna match directly. So whenever you're using these Pulse Chain bridges, if you're on Koinly, you need to merge them. If you are on Crypto Tax Calculator, you'll have a bridge in, bridge out. And then also now this ecosystem of Pulse Chain has gotten so amazing that basically you can earn rewards. So there are places where you need to use the swap feature because you're not gonna get a subsequent a fair market value of a new dividend token. So what you need to do is you need to make sure that is swapping forward or it is converting. Again, some of these transactions, they're still in the gray area. You can take the most conservative measure and still you can do a trade right as soon as you're going in and then do a trade out when you're coming out. That will give you the most conservative estimate. But if you're going to use the swap feature, you need to be very, very careful. I've seen so many of my clients where they're doing their own taxes. They're either picking one or two of the tokens, but then there's multiple tokens that are being transferred, one going out and then maybe three coming in. So then all of those need to be combined. And a manual way that we used to do this back in the day was where we would literally parse out, for example, if we have 1.5 million of Pulse going out, right? And then we have three different tokens that are coming in. We would literally chop up that 1.5 into three and then merge. But then now these days you should be able to select all four, three coming in, one going out, and then in your crypto tax tool, the third-party software that you're using, whether it's Koinly, whether it's Coinpanda, cointracking.info, Zenledger, they're all great, but you still need to click and merge those transactions, whether you're swapping, whichever method you're using, it doesn't matter. And remember, sacrificing is a completely different ballgame. If you don't consider the sacrifice as an investment of any type because you're not going to get anything back in return. So the accounting for sacrifice needs to be done properly, and make sure since we have October coming up and we only have less than 1 month. So make sure that all the Pulse Chain transactions are being accounted for accurately. So thank you so much, guys. This is Sime, your crypto CPA from the Lone Star State here at Akif CPA and also at our sister company Chainblock Financial. I just want to let everyone know one more time, it's an amazing place to make money, Pulse Chain, but make sure the taxes are done correctly and make sure everything is flowing properly. Check your transactions once, twice, but again, it's not too complicated. Don't complicate this more than it should be. You're making money. Keep your portfolio safe, keep it secure, and do the taxes right. Again, and also, if you're going to move that Pulse token in any of the centralized exchanges, which again, right now, they're not supporting it. I get it. Mexi is, some of these decentralized exchanges are where you're using your VPN. So again, you need to have that cost basis transfer properly when you convert that Pulse to another token and then move that token back into your centralized exchange. Otherwise, those 1099 DAs next year, they're going to be inaccurate. So guys and ladies and gentlemen, please make sure that you're earning great amounts of rewards in this Pulse chain, because so many of my clients are. But make sure the accounting is done properly. Merge those transactions, merge those multi-transactions. Make sure the bridge in, bridge outs are correct. Make sure all the rewards are tagged as income. Don't forget, the rewards need to be tagged as income. And then you should be all set. If you need any help, please contact us right away. You have our contact info right here. It's showing up on the screen, and we should be able to help. Again, space is always limited for us, but I'll let everyone know, and also drop us a comment, and we'll be going live, and we'll take more Pulse chain questions. Again, this is a complicated chain, but again, this one is the one that gives you tons of rewards. So make your money, pay your taxes, and have an amazing 2025. Thank you so much.